Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Ryobi Edger String is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining a pristine lawn, ensuring those sharp, clean lines between your grass and sidewalks or garden beds that truly elevate your curb appeal. This video dives deep into what makes a particular Ryobi Edger String stand out, examining its durability, ease of use, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision for your yard care needs. Number 5. WORX WG163 Cordless String Trimmer and Lawn Edger. Effortlessly switch between trimming and edging your lawn in mere seconds. This versatile tool makes yard work a breeze. Never worry about running out of line again. Our innovative command feed system provides instant line feeding, and we even offer free spools for life. Reach difficult areas and tackle sloped terrain with ease. The adjustable head allows you to trim and edge precisely where you need to. Achieve perfectly straight lines and clean cuts every time. The integrated rubberized wheels provide support and guidance for a professional finish. Keep your delicate plants and ornaments safe. The adjustable spacer guard prevents accidental damage while you're trimming or edging. This tool comes with two lightweight 20V power share batteries. They provide ample power and are compatible with all other WORX power share tools. What we like. This tool offers incredible versatility, easily switching between trimming and edging in seconds. Its innovative command feed system ensures you always have line ready, and the tilting head makes tackling uneven terrain a breeze. If you have a yard with varied landscaping or need to navigate slopes and obstacles, this is the edger for you. What people say. The Ryobi Edger String is a powerful tool that makes edging a breeze. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. The adjustable cutting depth allows for precise control over the edging depth. Number 4. Ryobi 1 Plus AC 80RL 3.080-inch Twisted Line and Spool Replacement, 3-pack. Ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance with this genuine OEM replacement line and spool. It's designed specifically for your trimmer. This versatile replacement option is compatible with Ryobi 18V, 24V, and 40V cordless string trimmers. It's a great choice for various models. Experience improved cutting efficiency and reduced noise thanks to the 0.080-inch twisted trimmer line. It makes yard work smoother. Designed as a direct OEM replacement, swapping out your old spool is quick and hassle-free. Get back to trimming in no time. Deliver clean, precise cuts on grass and weeds every time. Keep your lawn and garden edges looking neat and tidy with consistent results. What we like. This is a genuine replacement spool designed for a perfect fit with your Ryobi trimmer. The twisted line design enhances cutting efficiency and reduces noise, providing a cleaner, quieter operation. If you own a Ryobi trimmer and need a reliable, high-performance replacement line, this is the straightforward choice. What people say. The Ryobi Edger String is a great tool for maintaining clean edges around your lawn and garden beds. It's lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The adjustable cutting depth allows you to customize the edge to your liking. Number 3. ANLEOLIFE .080 Twisted Line Spool for Ryobi trimmers. Introducing the ANLEOLIFE .080 Twisted Line Spool, designed for your Ryobi cordless auto feed string trimmers. It's the perfect replacement for your worn-out spools. This line is compatible with Ryobi 18V, 24V, and 40V cordless auto feed string trimmers. It's the replacement model AC80RL3, ensuring a perfect fit. Crafted with high-quality raw materials from Germany, its aerodynamic design makes it more flexible and enhances performance. Expect efficiency and durability with every use. The precise spool size and ingenious design allow for easy removal and replacement of cartridges. It's hassle-free, even for beginners. Our innovative twisted line slices through grass, light brush, and weeds with ease. Make your mowing tasks more relaxed and enjoyable. This package includes 6 replacement spools and 1 cap cover, offering excellent value for your money. Keep your trimmer ready for action. What we like. This option provides exceptional value with multiple spools and a cap, all made from premium materials for superior performance. The aerodynamic twisted line slices through grass and weeds effortlessly, making your yard work more relaxed. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your Ryobi trimmer running smoothly with durable, efficient line, this multi-pack is an excellent pick. What people say. The Ryobi Edger String is a great tool for keeping your lawn edges neat and tidy. It's easy to assemble and use, even for beginners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several hours on a single charge. Number 2. Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless String Trimmer Edger. Introducing the Ryobi 1 Plus 18V Cordless String Trimmer Edger. It offers a powerful and versatile solution for your lawn care needs. Enjoy up to an hour of continuous use with the included 4.0 Ah battery. This means you can tackle larger yards without interruption. Equipped with a premium 0.080-inch twisted single line, it delivers efficient and clean cuts every time. Easily switch from trimming to edging with its pivoting head. This feature makes achieving clean lawn edges a breeze. Control your cutting with the variable speed trigger, choosing between maximum power or extended battery life. You can also adjust the cutting width from 11 to 13 inches for optimal performance. What we like. This trimmer boasts up to an hour of runtime on a single charge, perfect for medium to large yards. The adjustable cutting width allows you to customize performance for longer battery life or a wider path. If you value extended use and control over your trimming power, this Ryobi model is a solid contender. What people say. The Ryobi Edger String is a great tool for maintaining clean edges around your lawn and garden beds. It is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The adjustable cutting depth allows you to customize the edge to your liking, ensuring a professional finish every time. Number 1. ANLEOLIFE 1-pound Commercial String Trimmer Line. Introducing the ANLEOLIFE Commercial String Trimmer Line. Its multi-side cords are designed to slice through heavy weeds and thick grass quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time. Crafted from tough nylon 66 copolymer and plasticized materials, this line offers enhanced impact power and strength. It's built to resist damage, ensuring long-lasting performance. This is the perfect replacement line for all gas and electric trimmers. It's compatible with major brands like Husqvarna, Ryobi, Echo, Stihl, and many more. Keep your garden looking tidy and neat with this robust and efficient tool. It's designed for ease of use, making yard work simpler. Featuring a built-in line cutting tool, you can make quick and convenient line cuts. Enjoy a zero-loss experience every time you use it. What we like. This commercial-grade trimmer line is built tough from high-quality copolymer for maximum durability and impact resistance. It slices through heavy weeds and thick grass quickly, saving you time. If you have a demanding yard with tough vegetation or want a robust, efficient line that fits virtually any trimmer, this donut spool with a built-in cutter is a fantastic, no-hassle solution. What people say. It's a great tool for edging and trimming. It works very well and is easy to use. The battery life is excellent, lasting for a long time on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.